Number 18. The table shows the free throw success rates for several players on a basketball team. Which of the following statements is true about the success rates of the players? So we're comparing rational numbers, so we need to put them in matching forms. I have decimal fraction, 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 is the same as saying 9 out of 10 and then a decimal. So I'm going to change all of these to decimal form. It's 2/3, we know it's a benchmark, but we could also show our work using our top dog gets the house. 2 is our top dog, so 2 divided by 3. 3 cannot go into 2. 0 times 3 is 0. I have 2 left over. I'm going to keep going, so I need to add a decimal, so I can add a 0. 3 can go into 26 times. 6 times 3 is 18. 20 minus 18 is 2. I have a remainder, so I'm going to bring down another 0. 3 goes into 20 6 times. 6 times 3 is 18. I have a remainder of 2. I'm going to bring down another 0. 3 goes into 26 times. 6 times 3 is 18. Okay, so I'm seeing a pattern. We don't have time to divide all day, so we know that 2/3 is equivalent to repeating 6/10. So this is 6/10. 9 out of 10, 9/10. How you say it is how you write it. 9/10, 9/10, because we know this is our ones place and this is our tenths place. Okay. 7500ths and 5500ths are all written to the hundredths place, so I need to have all of my decimals to the hundredths place. So here I have 7500ths. Malcolm is a repeating 6/10, which we could also write as a repeating 6600ths. I can add a 0 without changing the value of my 9/10. Now it's 9000ths, and then we have 5500ths. Okay. F says Malcolm had the lowest success rate. Okay, so Malcolm, if we put these in order, this is the highest. Eric was the second. Malcolm is the third, and Tom is the fourth, putting in them order from greatest to least. Malcolm had the lowest, so he would need to be number 4. Tom is number 4, so this is false. Okay, and remember we're looking for the true statement. Gregorio had the greatest success rate, so he would need to be number 1. This is true. Malcolm's success rate is equal to Tom's. Malcolm's is 66. It's equal to Tom, which is 5500ths. Okay, 6600ths is not equal to 5500ths, so this is false. Eric's success rate is greater than Gregorio's. Eric's success rate is 7500ths. 7500ths is greater than Gregorio's of 9000ths. Okay, this is not true. This is false. So the only true statement is G.